Today I will be showing you the exterior of my bike that I bought, I think 3 or 4 months ago, this one, and a little bit of history. Last summer 2022 I started started to ride on motorcycles and take some lessons, and eventually I passed for the lessons and I could drive an actual motorcycle. My first motorcycle, or I should say motor scooter, was a Yamaha X-Max 400cc. I had that bike for I think maybe 5 or 6 months, and after that period I became a little bit fed up with my Yamaha X-Max 400cc, so I decided to sell it. And when I sold the Yamaha X-Max 400cc, I really wanted a bike who has more power, that has more comfort, that you can take to work and back home, and maybe use it for holiday, to travel abroad. And it led to buying this bike over here. It's very nice bike, to be honest. But before I bought this bike I did some research. My uncle also owns an R1200 GS from BMW, and he told me, you can take my bike for a test drive and then maybe you'll get interested in buying a BMW motorcycle. So I made a test drive. I was quite satisfied with the test drive. It drives very nice, nice comfort on the bike. It has a lot of power, and I really like that. So the search for my BMW began at that moment. So this is the bike that I bought in Germany. I really like it. It has a lot of nice and great features to it. For instance, over here it has the cruise control when you're on the highway. It has the ABS. It has a lot of buttons to check a lot of info on your dashboard over there. It has a button for different modes like enduro, dynamic and road. Depends on what road are you riding on. This is the button for warming up the handlebars. I only plan to use that during the winter. Yeah, what else can I tell you about the bike? I have a top case, a Vario top case. I also have side cases, but I'm planning to put the side cases on when I'm going to travel abroad. It also has the little adventure lights at the front and the big BMW GS LED light, as you can see. So that's all very nice. Yeah, it's as I said, it's a 1200 GS, 1200 cc, 2-cylinder motor. I believe it has 125 horsepower. I'll show you, I'll let you hear the sound. As you can see, it also has the original BMW navigation system, also very nice. I use my own navigation system on my telephone, but this is also very handy when you're traveling abroad, perhaps. So this is my bike, guys. Let me know what you think and if I made a nice and good purchase and of a reliable bike. Thank you very much for watching, and see you on the next video.